We are Enriching Laguna Youth Serve. We believe in the power of community, compassion, and commitment.
Together with our partner communities, we've been dedicated to make a difference in the lives of those who need it most.
Our mission is simple, and that is to provide support, resources, and opportunities to underserved communities, ensuring that everyone has a chance to thrive.
Are you passionate about making a difference?
Join Enriching Laguna Youth Serve
On August 8th,
10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at 10-2 Sampaloc Lane and help us transform lives and communities.
we are Enriching Laguna Youth Serve, your dedicated partner in community service and social impact.
As we work for a cause and not for applause. I serve, you serve, we serve.
I wanna stay with you.